Are you indicating you did in fact pee on somebody else's motorcycle?
Absolutely not.
Okay. So, sir, it looks like there's additional allegations beyond the tampering of the motorcycle that are also indicating intimidating, harassing behavior, and they're alleging that occurred on November 25th. Sir, are you denying that allegation as well?
Yes, I am. So they evicted my ESA dog, and there's no harassment. I've been asking them to provide proof that my dog bit somebody, which they can't provide because it never happened.
Okay.
I have a Boston Terrier. They don't bite people.
Counselor, do you have your witnesses at this point?
I do, Your Honor, but we probably do need to have a trial because I have the video surveillance of Mr. Morel urinating on the motorcycle in question, and the court probably wants to see, or needs to see that.
Hey, I don't slang up bang, I just smoke motherfuckers like it ain't no thing.
Well, sorry for the delay on the content, gentlemen. I had that incident with peeing on that motorcycle. And did I pee on that motorcycle? No, I don't remember it. But look at this. Yep, I guess I did. There's a little video evidence of it. So that forced me to leave Tempe and move downtown Phoenix, which put me in areas I've never been before. And I tell you what, I really like downtown Phoenix. Like, look at this sick ass mural. Kind of like my last name. mural that I found at a place called Just Blaze. And the reason I really like that is because, you know, well, I have my med card, but head shops are awesome. But the main reason is because I named my dog Blazer. You guys might have seen this little gentleman right here. There he is, my Blazer. So I only thought it's appropriate, come down here, get a little morning coffee, get a little shots of the G with my number 1 G and my number 2 G, a little Blazer in there. So I guess I should probably elaborate why there's this peeing on the motorcycle. Only let like the first 300 to 500 people see the actual court video of the court case. Now that the court case is over and we've finished and settled outside of court, I guess I'll tell you what exactly kind of happened. The reason all got started is because every single day I go with Blaze, this guy right here. Hey, sit. That's a good Blazer. We go and we throw a ball, and I'll clip that in for you. I throw a ball with him off of a leash on Tippytown Lake, like this. So what happens is everybody likes the dog off the leash, and then there's like 5% of people that just are Karens and complained about my dog being off the leash. And I said, well, you know, I've been here 4 years in this high rise in Tippytown Lake. I'm not really putting my dog on a leash. You can go fuck yourself. So what that did is that pissed that person off, and that person basically went and made a fictitious dog bite report, because I have a actual ESA dog. He's a emotional support animal, so I'm allowed to take him anywhere. It's actually against the law for you to do anything that doesn't allow me to take my dog where I want. So what happens is the only way to get someone evicted is you have to show that that ESA animal is violent. So they made a fictitious report saying my dog violently bit someone. Well, I asked over and over, I was like, you need to provide evidence, a police report, vet bill, pictures of this happening, and they weren't able to provide any of it because it never happened. So what that did is, what I learned from that is that triggered me, and there's other stuff that happened, but what they could prove basically was that I went and peed on that person's motorcycle, and they went and pulled the video evidence, and they caught me peeing on that motorcycle. And once, just like the judge said, he goes, sir, if there is evidence of you peeing on that motorcycle, it will be a very swift, it'll be a very swift trial.
This never happened, but you can actually be evicted for peeing on a motorcycle in a garage. Is that true?
Yes, I would say that would constitute egregious enough behavior to be removed. So if it did happen, you will be being evicted from your property. If it didn't happen, and assuming none of the other allegations happen, then you would be able to stay. And to be clear, sir, if they have video evidence, this will be a relatively short proceeding.
So once I actually got the video, because I didn't think they had it, I went ahead and made a deal with them. And the deal was that I just had to immediately move within 24 hours, and I did. And that put I guess you would say, a big, huge speed bump in my upload schedule, because I wasn't able to continue to pump out content because I had to find a new place to live, which is downtown Phoenix, and I had to pack up all my stuff and leave. So it goes down to this, what my attorney said. He goes, it's not about who's right or wrong here. The person that was upset is the maintenance manager, and they said it's a lot easier to replace a tenant than it is a maintenance manager, and that's why they weren't being reasonable. So whatever, like, I could have fought it out and sued later on, but I just let it go and just moved out. It was time to try something different, and I'm really glad I did, because I like Phoenix, downtown Phoenix, a lot better than living on a college campus, because I'm an adult. It's time to get off the college campus, you know, dealing with a bunch of kids. So give you guys just that little update on that. If you guys were wondering, I appreciate the guys that watched the video when I first uploaded it, and then some of the commenters, some of my OG subscribers were telling me, I forget the term he used, that somebody basically will use this as evidence against me because I kind of getting to be a public, not a public official, public figure, and I should take it down, not use my name and all that stuff. And after I thought about it, I was like, yeah, he's right. So I took it down. So anyways, that was just filling you guys in on a little update on that. I hope you guys liked it, and hope you guys liked the video. Well, until next time, see you guys.